5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 6 right over small crest, into 5 left half long, 100 down mid, keep right over small crest, into 3 right opens over half long, 40, 6 right long, 6 right long, down into 4 left long care, into 2 right tightens, into 1 left long tightens past junction. Ooh, you fucking stroll. Okay, tidy it up, tidy it up, tidy it up. 170 up mid. We were on it down then, yeah. Double caution, 3 left. Tightens slowing into hairpin left. Whole outside. Tightens. Into hairpin right. Keep it neat, neat up through here, neat. Okay, lovely. 4 right long, 60, turn hairpin left. And 5 right into 3 left, 40, 4 left opens over small crest, 5 right, 100 up mid, into caution, hairpin right deceptive, don't cut. So 5 right, 100 up mid, into caution, hairpin right deceptive, don't cut. And 5 left continues for 80, into 5 right, 60, 6 right plus, and caution, 2 left long late, don't cut. Into turn 3 right, into sudden 1 left, don't cut. 3 right into sudden 1 left, don't cut. 40, 3 left plus, long, 40, turn hairpin right. 130 up mid. 1 left that lane, and 6 left over small crest, 40. 4 left tightens over crest bump, 60 down, take care, into open hairpin left, long plus. Into tight 1 right long, tight 1 right long, into 6 right over crest, into 2 left plus, 2 left plus, 80. Caution, small crest slowing into hairpin right past lane, hairpin right past lane, 170 down mid. Lovely, 70 down mid, 4 left, don't cut, 150, care ahead.
What's this?
This is a 4 left, don't cut, 2 right tightens, over small crest, narrows, late, 2 right tightens, over small crest, narrows, late, 40, 5 left, half long, 5 left, half long, and 6 right, 60 care, caution, 1 left long, deceptive tight, and 5 right long, fair play, 5 right long, 60, 6 left over bump, 80 up mid, 6 right plus over small crest, 40, 4 left continues 100 and tightens into 2 left late, 4 into a 2, into a 1 right, into a 2 left. This is the 2 late, 1 right, 2 left, and 1 left tightens into hairpin right. 1 left tightens into hairpin right. And 1 left opens, 60 through posts, into turn hairpin left, through the post, turn hairpin left. And 3 right, into 2 left, stump inside, and 6 left long, don't cut, into 6 right, small crest long, small crest long, stay mid, and 5 right past lane, 100, 6 right, 80 turn hairpin, carry on, hairpin right, tight post inside, 130, ooh, stay mid over flat crest, 200, ooh, 200, go on, into chicane, a bus stop on left, 150, you're okay.
Oh yeah. Oh, fucking
150, 6 right plus, 150, 6 left long, 150 up mid, caution, stay left, into small crest slowing, into 2 left opens and falls away, into 4 left long, so it's a 2 opens into a 4 long. And 6 right over small crest, 6 right over small crest, 40. 5 left, tightens over crest, camber, don't cut, 40 down, into 5 right, 40.
Shit.
Into caution, 4 right, don't cut, into 2 left, into 2 right slowing, into hairpin right, tightens. Hairpin right, tightens, 40. 40, then you've got 1 left, don't cut, 40. 1 left, long, opens, don't cut, tight. 60 up mid. That's it. 60 up mid, then you've got 6 right over flat crest, mid 100. Then you've got caution, big crest jump, stay mid, 150 down. Caution, 5 right long, tighten, slowing, into hairpin right, 60. 5 right tightens into a hairpin right, 60. Then you've got 4 left, continues to 100, tightens, into a 1, caution 1 left, 60. 6 left. This is it now, 6 left, 60, small crest, into 3 left, late, long, so 3 left, long, tight, into 4 right, 200, 4 right, 200, then you've got small jump, and 5 right, into caution, 4 left, slowing, into turn hairpin right, drop outside, so you've got caution, 4 left, slowing, into turn hairpin right, drop outside, 40, 40, 2 left, don't cut, 40, turn square right, don't cut, 250 up mid, 250 up mid, 250 up mid, then you've got 2 right plus over crest, 60, 3 right 100, so you've got 2, 60, 3 right, 100, caution, 5 left, continues for 100, into 1 left plus over crest, don't cut, 5 into a 1 this is, over crest, don't cut, down into 5 right, 40, 5 right long tightens, into 6 left over flat crest, 130, 6 left plus, over small crest, and 4 right half long, don't cut.
What's this?
This is a 4, right, then you've got crest, 6 left, 40, 6 right plus, 80, 6 right plus, up bench, long, 130 down, 3 right half long, tight, 3 right half long, tight, 130. Oh,
Jim, hold on, Jim.
Hold on to that. 2 left, tight at post, 150. 150, right. 6 left plus, 80, 2 left, into 5 right, continues for 100, tightens, 2 into a 5 right, 60 down, into 4 right, 40, 5 left long, tightens, 5 left long, tightens, 40, 5 left long, tightens, 40, 4 left past shed, 4 left past shed, 100 down mid, into turn hairpin left opens, nice and tidy, 80, narrows ahead. That's it, lovely, 80 narrows ahead, caution, turn hairpin right long, barrier, crown barrier. And 3 left, hairpin right long, 3 left, into 5 right, 150 up mid. Turn hairpin left, tightens, 200. That's it. Oh, fair play. 4 right. So you've got 200 up mid there, then you've got 4 right, and 2 left, tightens at junction, don't cut. 2 left, tightens at junction, don't cut. 130 up mid. 5 right. Got 5 right, 40. 6 left, continues for 100. Into 3 left, 4 right. So 6 into a 3. 4 right, 40. 6 left plus long opens, 40. 3 right, 60. Turn 2 right, 60, 2 right, 40. And you've got 6 left, continues for 130, come on. 6 left, continues for 130 and tightens, and 4 right past lane, 40. 6 left, continues continues for 170 into 4 right past lane over finish. 6 left, continues 170, 4 right over finish. 200. Fair play.
Oh, shit.